Traditional prawn fishing nets run along the seabed, catching both prawns and fish. The substantial number of fish caught are usually of no commercial value to the fisher and are known as bycatch. Recently, MarFishEco trialled 2 innovative new prawn fishing gear designs to establish how well each of them reduce bycatch. With traditional gear, the ground line that kicks up the potential catch is well behind the top line. This prevents fish that normally swim upwards from escaping. Where included in the net design, panels of wider spaced square mesh net allow smaller fish to escape, but the remainder are forced into the cod end with the prawn catch, making them difficult to separate and crushing the prawns. One alternative, the coverless net, operates in a similar way, but its ground line is well in front of the top line, allowing many of the larger fish to get away from the trawl. Smaller, immature individuals can still escape through square mesh panels where they're present. Trial results are expected to show that bycatch has reduced considerably with the coverless net, making it easier to separate and putting less physical pressure on the main catch, avoiding damage. The second alternative is the dual cod end net. Its ground line is also well forward, allowing larger fish to escape, and it too can have square mesh panels. The key feature, though, is an internal separating grid that sorts the catch into separate cod ends. Prawns fall through the separator into a lower cod end, and fish continue to swim upwards into the top section. This sorting is highly effective and can greatly reduce bycatch. It also requires much less physical sorting than with other nets. The top cod end can even be run open to allow the majority of fish to escape. Once analysed, trial data are expected to demonstrate that the coverless net significantly reduces bycatch compared to traditional prawn fishing gear, and that the dual cod end net can reduce it still further, helping to make prawn fishing more efficient, less wasteful, and more sustainable.